Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. In this video, I'm going to demo and review the variable ND filters from Freewell. Before we begin, if you could do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to click that little bell so you get updates. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you know of anyone that would benefit from watching this video, please share it. And finally, follow me on Instagram. I am at Anthony Morganti on Instagram, and I'll have a link to that in the description below this video. All right, full disclosure, Freewell sent me these for free, although they're not paying me to do this video. And overall, I used them today for the first time, and they claim that these variable ND filters are a little bit different from some of the others that you may have seen on the market. First of all, these have a hard stop in them, so you won't get that ugly cross pattern when you max out the filter. And they also claim that they're scratch resistant, or actually they call it scratch proof. And on their website, they show a photographer with a box cutter taking it to the front of the filter. They also say that they're dust proof, oil proof, and waterproof as well. And I could vouch for the water part. I dropped one of them in the snow and I was able to clean it off, and none of the water, after it melted, the snow melted, none of it got in between the filters. So it definitely is waterproof, and it did clean up very easily. It kind of repelled the water, you know, it didn't allow the water to kind of stay on there like a film. So that is true from firsthand experience. Now overall, they say these are multi-coated with 18 layers. That is important because most often with a filter like this that's relatively thicker because it has to spin, they're going to be a little bit too wide for you to put your lens hood on your lens. So you're going to have to use these without a lens hood. So multi-coated variable ND filters are very important. The filters are 7.7 millimeters thick, and Freewell claims that's a millimeter thinner than the #1 competitor in the market. And because they're thinner, you should be able to get away with using a wider angle lens. Freewell claims they won't vignette up to 16 millimeters, so that's a definite asset as well. Now they come in two different densities. One is a 2 to 5 stop, and the second is a 6 to 9 stop. You could buy them individually or in a 2-pack. Freewell sent me the 2-pack, so this package contains one 2 to 5 stop filter and one 6 to 9 step filter. And in it, you get, of course, you know, their little owner's manual, a little catalog of their product, and you get a microfiber cloth. And then you get the filters themselves. They come in a magnetic plastic case, and the filters are actually built very well. They're very heavy duty. They move very smoothly, and the throw isn't far. So you could go, in this case, this is the 6 to 9 stop. You could go from 6 stops to 9 stops very quickly. Unlike other Freewell filters, the filters aren't magnetic, so they screw onto your lens, but they are magnetic in that you could take another Freewell product that is magnetic and they'll stick on here fine. So they come in a 2-pack. This is the 6 to 9 stop, and this is the 2 to 5 stop. Again, the same magnetic case. They also come with a steel lens cap that is magnetic, and it will stick right on there, so you could easily just pull that off. Now, I had the opportunity to use these today. I've been kind of waiting for the weather to get better. It's been very overcast and snowy here in Buffalo, and I've been waiting to use them until I had better weather conditions. Well, today it wasn't much better. It was sunny. It's super sunny, very bright day, but I did get out and use them. Now, in the description below this video, you'll see a download link. So you could download the images I took with these. So you could judge for yourself the quality of these filter. In that download will be 3 images. There's going to be a base image that's without any filter on at all. Then there's one image that has the 2 to 5 stop dialed all the way up to 5 stops. And then there's another image with the 6 to 9 stop dialed all the way up to 9 stops. Again, they're RAW files. They're relatively large. They were shot with a Nikon D850. So it is a relatively large download. So you're welcome to check those out. Judge for yourself. I think the filters are very good. I think they're very well made, as well made or better than any other variable ND filter I've used. And like I mentioned, I dropped the 6 to 9 stop in the snow as I was screwing it on my lens. And because it repels water, it just beat it up, and I was able to just dry it off very quickly with a multi-fiber cloth. And I was ready to screw it back on and take an image. And the image you're going to get is the image I took after I cleaned it off. So overall, I think it's a very, very good product. There'll be links for everything in the description below this video. And there'll be a link again for the download. So check it out for yourself. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.